down the cans and they ran them up.
Young Drez,
That we in right now.
Trey Gangs. Well, we dropped the Young. It's just Drez. I'm going in. This nigga over here chilling.
Dancing on the beat.
I probably switch the camera up like these. Yo. Spit that shit, ninja.
Fire on my feet, flame on my chest, aiming at your head, so you better be blessed. Be blessed or be test, cause you never see crest, cause it's like me, I do all the things best. Money, money, that's what I'm about. Trying to get up, so you know I'm on the couch, yeah. Sitting back, chilling, do it cause you know I'm a motherfucking villain. I don't have to get my hands dirty. All I gotta do is kick this phone up and your hands dirty. Have you buried in the ground, deep, 6 feet. Yeah, catch you in your sleep. And I roll with the G's though. Never know, cause you know with the C, ho.
Yeah.
Never fall for the nigga, no. Fuck, I fucked up, but I'ma get dough. Back, this nigga stay strapped. You always know I carry that Ace 2 strap, yeah. Y'all don't even know the code though. Put you down, yeah, nigga in the snow, bro. Hot guns hit the whistle. Chop a nigga up like some crusty ass gristle. Nigga want a ton. Put his ass in my motherfucking trunk.
Fuck him up. Niggas like to talk shit. These niggas ain't really gon' walk shit. Say they got fireworks but won't spark shit. Boy, I'm on some Highland Park shit. Yeah, they swear I'm on some demon shit. Man, I'm just on it, you ain't seen it, bitch. But I ain't know no demonic type of spirits. I'm just telling you this shit I got. You'll probably never hear it unless you listen to it backwards and get the contradiction of what I'm saying, motherfucker. Do you not listen? When I tell them that I said that I would glisten and shine bright like a diamond, no Rihanna, they ain't listen. Nah, I told them just not to get the message. But if they didn't get it, that's when they started stretching. No, that's when them niggas started stressing. And I went and got my workout on, then I started stretching. Told them niggas I'm a motherfucking blessing. And when you look up into the sky, the moon is crescent and it's telling you to listen to the things that I bless them with on top of these tracks. And they told them damn, fucked up cause I'm high. But at the same time, it sound like something that was meant to be said on the motherfucking track. If you look inside my head, it's just fucking black. So much of these webs got me caught up in it, in the web. And the internet said not to do it, but yet I did it. Got the whole world influenced. I'm known in Australia, I'm known in New York, and I ain't been to neither one. Pitchfork, yeah right, I'm throwing up C's, no disrespect. Word to trap gangs, nigga let them out, let's kill the set. And that's just real shit. We kill shit. Give a fuck about how you feel, bitch. I'm epic with this shit, and so is he, man. So respect this shit. Respect it or neglect it or accept it. No, accept it or neglect it. But either way, I guarantee that y'all niggas respect it. Yep, the dots you can't connect them without the shit that I am connecting. Disconnect him from his neck and his necklace. I'm reckless. These bitch made niggas, boy, I put dots on your face like freckles. And let them get you. Bah! That's in the kitchen. You ain't even see me while you was in there fixing dinner for your children and got knocked on the motherfucking floor. It's a horror in my mind how I think about the wards and the horror of the place where I could put you in the floor. They shouldn't have let me out of the psychotic ward, but they did.